Hello guys, my name is Pavan and I welcome you all towards my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video we're going to discuss about 12 important interview questions for BA as well as for BBA LLB courses. For example, you are applying for any kind of law courses in any kind of college. It can be Symbiosis, Christ University, Christ Academy, St. Joseph, SJCC or any college, totally fine. These questions are going to help you a lot because I conduct more mock interviews, I conduct career guidance sessions for many students around India, and I felt that it is my utmost responsibility to help you out throughout this particular stage of your interview preparation. And I'm there to help you out throughout your interview preparation, so nothing need to worry on. So guys, this is a part 2 video in which I'm going to continue with the important set of questions which you are supposed to know while you're preparing for the interview. So guys, if you want any kind of help regarding mock interview, for example, if you're preparing for any kind of entrance or interview, for example, interview for your Symbiosis, Christ University, Christ Academy or any kind of law colleges, I'm there to help you out. All my details are below. You can get in touch with me. I shall be there to conduct a mock interview with you and tell you what kind of mistakes you're making and where you need to focus and where you need to improve. So guys, as I said you earlier, an interview is not just a concept about answering to all the questions correctly. It's more about, along with your knowledge, you should also present your personality very well. See, I get most of the doubts pertaining to the students asking that, Pavan, I've done very well, I'm able to answer every question which the interviewer asks, but I normally fail to understand why an interview they don't select me. It's because, along with your answer, there's a way of marking in a different structure which happens in an interview. It can be your body language, it can be your facial expression. It's like the words, how you're speaking in an interview. Is it polite? Is it compassionate enough? There is a quality as well as quantity in your answers. So all this is judged in an interview before they just mark you out in overall factors. So I just kindly request you, keep all this thing in your mind, and if you want any kind of help, kindly get in touch with me. My details are below. My email ID, my Instagram ID is also just put up below. You can get in touch with me and I shall be glad to help you out. So as being said that, now let's go into the important 12 set of important current affairs questions which you are supposed to know. And as I've been taking many kind of mock interviews for the students and to many panel boards, I normally suggest that these kind of questions they do ask. Why? Because these are the important trending hot topics which you are supposed to know being as a future lawyer. Plus, before going to any law colleges, these are the set of questions which you're supposed to understand. So as being said that, now let's get started. So guys, the first question is the first woman president who was a lawyer. So as you know, who was the first woman president who was a lawyer? That is Pratibha Patel. So she was a lawyer and she is the first woman president, and she's also a lawyer, which is very important for you to note down. And second question is, what is section 77? So section 77 speaks about same-sex marriage. What is it? So section 77 deals about same-sex marriage. Third question is, highest paid lawyer in India. It is Ram Jethmalani. So highest paid lawyer in India. Yes, they can ask you such kind of questions in an interview just to know that how much very well depth research you have done. So this is the part 2 video, as I said earlier. Part 1 also I've just uploaded many kind of important ministers' name and other factors. Kindly even go watch that. If you have not watched it, I'll be putting up the link below. I think that can surely help you out. I'm really glad that many students are getting benefit out of this video. I'm really grateful for that. And the fourth question, coming back on our discussion, who is the present chairman of National Human Rights Commission? As we all know, it is Justice Arun Mishra. Justice Arun Mishra is the present chairman of the National Human Rights Commission. Fifth question is, why do you think Central Vista is essential project of national importance? So guys, this is a small homework for you guys. Just check out your Google and then just type out this question, why Central Vista is an essential project of national importance, because I do observe many students telling that these kind of questions they have been asked most in an interview. So please do check it, why Central Vista is an essential project of a national importance. It's mainly because construction of the new parliament and other factors. So I just want to have a small research from your side, and do let me know on what you understand put it up in the comment box, and I shall surely help and check it out for you. Sixth question is, why is there a need of midnight hearing cases in Supreme Court? Yes guys, it's one of the most important questions why in an interview they do ask. It's because of urgent pleas and hanging of convicts. So these kind of major factors are basically considered in terms of midnight hearings. These are one of the most important components which you're supposed to know. Seventh question is, how does governance in the Union Territory work? So as you know, governance in Union Territory, for example, it can be Lakshadweep, there could be a chance of, in terms of Lieutenant Governor controlling there, of Chief Commissioner, or it can be an administrator. So this is how our governance structure work in an union territory. What is the current crisis in Lakshadweep? Very important, guys, because these were one of the most important topics which is pertaining in the newspaper. So it's very important that you know it. And the ninth question is about new IT rule. New IT rule regulation is very important. For example, in terms of what is IT rule 2021, why many many platforms are against it. Example like WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, why are they against it? Why they sue back to the government of India? So I hope most of you have researched about it, no? So just make sure that once again you have a proper research before attending it for your interview. 10th question is, who is the newly appointed CBI director? As you all know, it is IPS Subodh Jaiswal. Okay. 11th question is live-in relationship legal in India? So guys, I want you guys to check and let me know in the comment box, is live-in relationship legal in India? And the 12th question is about Israel and Hamas ceasefire. Just have a small background research, that would be more than enough, because these are the important 12 questions which they normally ask in an interview. I hope this question can help you a lot. And if you have any kind of help and if you want to book a mock interview with me, I'll be providing up even the website details below. You can just book a mock interview. If that your college which you're being applying, if you're not finding out in the website, totally fine, just mail me or text me on my Instagram. I shall surely come back and get in touch with you, and I'll be glad to help you out. Just relax, just do your level best. Okay, so that's nothing that you're not going to do very well. Just believe yourself and just trust the process. You can do it, and you all have that potential. Okay, it's just tap yourself and start evolving yourself. Okay, wishing you all the best. Goodbye.